And lead is taken by Monte Napoleone and Be Cool. And moving up on the outside is Who Else? Is now Who Else in the lead, followed by Monte Napoleone and My Wife Knows All and Wanna Change. And at the mid back stretch, it's still Who Else in the lead, followed by My Wife Knows All and Be Cool, Monte Napoleone. Rounding the far turn, it is still the favorite, and that is Who Else leading the field. It is still Who Else leading the field, followed by Wanna Change in second, and Be Cool moving up on the outside, My Wife Knows All and Monte Napoleone. At the top of the stretch, it is still Who Else leading the field, followed by Wanna Change, My Wife Knows All, Be Cool on the farther outside, and Monte Napoleone. And hitting the pep line, it is still Who Else leading the field. And finally, at the pep line, it's a cinch for Who Else? Be Cool, My Wife Knows All, Wanna Change, and Monte Napoleone.